Hello children. Today I am going to explain you a new chapter in EVS, that is food we eat. So let's start the chapter. First of all children, what is food? Food is the thing that we eat daily. Which we eat daily, that is your food. Now another question is that why we need food? We need food, and food, why it is important in our life. We need food because it helps us to keep us healthy. हमें healthy और strong बनाने के लिए food ज़रूरी है. Now the another thing is it help us to grow. बढ़ने के लिए we need food to grow. See children, how we grow? Okay? So children, without eating nutrient foods, we can't grow. Now third thing is it helps us to give energy. Energy is very important to work and to play. We cannot work or we cannot play without energy. And from where we are getting energy? By eating nutrient foods, by eating healthy foods. Okay children? Now let's come to the chapter 5, Food We Eat, that is on page number 29. First one is, we all eat different types of food for breakfast, lunch and dinner. See children, for breakfast it is different, then lunch it is different, then dinner is different. Okay children? It is not just about taste. Different kinds of food items have different qualities that are necessary for us to stay healthy. Children, we need different kinds of food, and different foods are having different qualities and which is necessary for us to stay healthy. हमें healthy रहने के लिए हमें different kinds of different qualities of food खानी पड़ती है. Okay? And what are the examples? Some food gives us lot of energy. Some others build the body while some protect us from diseases. Some children, some food, कुछ foods जो होते हैं हमें energy देते हैं, कुछ foods हमें body build करते हैं, and some of the food they protect us from various diseases. Now let's see what are the types of food. What are the kinds of food? First one is energy giving food, second is body building food, and third one is protective food. So first of all, let's see what is energy giving food. Okay children? Energy giving food. Food items like sugar, rice, potatoes, butter, ghee, etc. are high in energy. Children, these food items, what are the food items? Example, sugar, rice, potatoes, butter, ghee. See here also it is given sugar, rice, butter, potatoes. These all food items give us energy. So these are called energy giving foods and they help us to, we need energy to work and play. So these food items when we eat, these food items help us to work and play. You all love to play children? Yes. Now come to the next page and we will see what is bodybuilding food. Okay children? Come to next page, that is page number 30. Bodybuilding food. Some items like pulses, soya bean, milk, egg, paneer, etc. See, these are the pulses. You all know rajma, beans, chole. These all comes in pulses. Pulses, milk, eggs, paneer. These all the food items give us, help us to grow tall. You all want to be tall, man? Yes, tall and very strong. Okay. So these food items are called bodybuilding foods. These help in building bones and muscles. Children, when we eat this type of foods, it help us to building bones. ये हमारी bones और muscles को strong बनाता है. Clear, children? Okay, now come next to the protective food. Foods like fresh vegetables. I know many of the children, they don't like vegetables. But fresh vegetables and fruits protect us from diseases and keeps us healthy. These are called protective foods. Children, vegetables and fruits, they cover us. They protect us from various diseases. When we eat these type of foods, we never fall sick. हम कभी बीमार नहीं होंगे अगर हम हमेशा vegetables और fruits खाएंगे तो. These vegetables and fruits are called as, these type of foods are called as protective food. Okay, children? So let's revise it, children. What are the types of food? First one is energy giving food. Second one is bodybuilding food. Third one is protective food. What are energy giving food? The food, example, sugar, rice, butter, potatoes, etc. These type of foods which help us to give us energy, they are called energy giving food. Why we need energy, children? To work and to play. Second one is bodybuilding food. Food items like pulses, milk, eggs, paneer, etc. These type of foods are called bodybuilding food because these food help us in building bones and muscles. They help us to grow tall and strong. Third one is protective food. Vegetables and fruits are protect us from various diseases. That's why they are called as protective food. Clear, children? Now clear what is energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food? Okay. Now let's move to the next line. We should eat all kinds of food every day to stay fit and healthy. Children, we need to eat all type of foods. We need bodybuilding food also, we need protective food also, we need energy giving food also. All types of food every day so that we'll be fit and healthy. Also, we should follow some healthy eating habits to maintain good health. Now let's see what are the healthy habits. People who eat only fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses are called vegetarians. Okay, children? Those who eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, they are called as vegetarians. And some people also eat eggs, including fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses. Some people, they eat egg also, meat also. They are called as non-vegetarian. So there are two type of peoples, those who are having the different food habits. Some are vegetarians and some are non-vegetarians. Okay. Now, children, healthy eating habits. What are the healthy eating habits? Eat all types of food to be healthy. I already explained you children. We need to eat bodybuilding food also, energy giving food also, and protective food also to stay healthy, to stay fit and healthy. And drink plenty of clean water. See this boy drinking plenty of water. Okay? Wash your hands before and after eating your meals. See, wash your hands properly. Okay? Eat your meals at proper time. Children, always eat your all the meals, every food, whatever the time is there, your mama is giving the time, at that time only you eat. Don't delay it that you don't like or don't eat. Don't tell to your mama that now I will not eat, okay? Eat always your meals in proper time. Eat properly cooked food, okay children? Chew your food slowly and well. Okay, don't swallow it. Chew it properly. You all are having good teeth now, white shiny teeth. So with the help of those teeth, chew your food properly. Do not overeat. Children, whatever how much you want, that much you only take food. Don't overeat. Okay, if your stomach is filled, don't overeat. Next one is do not eat junk, that is unhealthy food. Okay, see children, avoid junk food. It is not good for health. If you want to be healthy, avoid junk food. The next one is do not waste food. How much you want, only they take that much food only. Children in our country, many children, many people are not getting food, so we should not waste food. Okay, do not talk while eating. Some of the people, they are having habit of talking during eating time, but we should not talk during while eating time. Okay children, see, did you know your body needs at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day? Water helps us clearing waste from the body. Children, drink plenty of water because it helps us to clear the waste things from our body. So it is very important to eat at least 6 to 8 glass of water. Now here, milk is complete food. It has the qualities of all the 3 kinds of food. Now what are the 3 kinds of food children? I already told you. First one is energy giving food, second one is bodybuilding food, third one is protective food. Now this milk is having the quality of all the 3 kinds of food. So drink milk every day. Okay? I hope that you have understood this lesson. But then also, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Bye-bye. God bless you children.